Our previous videos have focused on getting our About page up and running. However, now we want to give some attention to our Contact page, which is still looking a bit light on content. What we'd like to have here is a contact form. We can get that by going back to the Clean Blog GitHub repository and clicking on the contact.html file. As you can see, as I scroll down here, when we get to the main content section, we have a form. This form is expecting the inputs of name, email address, phone number, and then a message of our choice. We are going to take this code and copy and paste it into our own project. I will start by copying just below the container. We don't need to copy the container because we already have that in our base template. Make sure to copy this entire row all the way down to the appropriate closing div tag, not the one for the container element. Once copied, we can go to our contact.html file, and after the page title h2 header, I will add a couple of blank lines and then paste our copied text below it. You can see here from the comments at the top that this is expecting to be running on a server with PHP. We are not going to use PHP to process our contact form. We will be using Python, but it works in a very similar way. I will just remove those 3 lines with the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-K. Next, I just want to clean this up a bit and format it to our template. Highlight the code, right-click anywhere, and select Format Selection. Once that's done, when we save our file, go back to the preview and reload the contact page. You can now see our contact form in all its glory. Let's try filling it in. I will fill in my name, Tim Nelson, add a fake email address, phone number, and just a test message. When I click on the send button, then currently nothing happens. The page reloads and the form just resets itself. If you've completed our interactive front-end development course, you'll remember that we linked up a contact form with an SDK so that we could send emails when somebody had completed the form. We are not going to do that in this lesson. What we want to do in this lesson is just to make sure that we can handle the data that's being passed to the backend from our template. We will see how to do that in our next video.